listen, don't you ever honk to me or my son again. Ah! That's it, son. That's it. He's still working on his siren, aren't you, buddy?
Hi, I am very ugly, but you should enjoy the movie anyway.
In my world, everyone's a pony, and they all eat rainbows and poop butterflies.
That's beautiful, Katie.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
I guess peace was never an option. What do you want? Can you explain why the dishes aren't done? Because I was busy doing all my other chores. That sounds like an excuse to me. I'm literally doing my job. Well, clearly you're not doing it well enough. Okay, but you don't have to yell at me for it. Simon, I'm your mother. I can yell at you as much as I want and nobody can stop me. Why do you... Are you sure about that? What are you doing? I think I know one person who could stop you from yelling at me. No, Grandma! Why are you yelling at my grandson? Mom? Hi, Grandma. Are you yelling at my grandson? Yes, but he didn't do the dishes like I asked him. But he did all of his other chores. If you ask me, I think he deserves a break. What? Yay. Simon, do you want me to get the belt? Do you want me to get the belt? Now apologize. Huh? Do it! Sorry, son. Oh, it's okay, Mom.